this video, we're going to be comparing Warsaw's most poorly rated 1-star hotel to Warsaw's most luxurious 5-star hotel. We're going to be looking at room features, overall comfort, hotel breakfast quality, and most of all, hotel amenities to investigate if staying 5-star is worth the price tag or if it's overrated.
We're Scott and Shanae, and these are our Wanderlust adventures.
We just arrived in Warsaw, Poland, and in this video we're going to check out the difference between a 1-star hotel and a 5-star hotel. We're starting with the 1-star hotel, which is the Ibis Styles, so let's go inside and see what it's like.
Pretty common in Europe to have to carry your luggage up flights of stairs if you book small places, so I'm really glad that even though it's a 1-star hotel, it's a big hotel with lifts. Definitely a bonus. Come in. I don't know if we've got a toilet.
Is that it there?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, that's the top there.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm glad the toilet isn't in the glass box.
And then that's the shower. Not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I couldn't see a toilet at first. So.
The only problem about these small rooms is that there's nowhere to put our bags. So we've only got one big suitcase and one little suitcase and 2 backpacks, which probably sounds like a lot, but last time we come we had 2 big suitcases.
And a little suitcase.
And a little suitcase, that's right. And the backpacks. And there's just nowhere to put the bags, so makes it a little bit hard, but that's alright. We'll deal with that.
Time for the bed test. Oh, this is rock solid.
This is a bit hard, eh?
Yes. Oh.
You get that on the cheap ones?
Yeah. Everything looks nice and clean though, so I will definitely give it that. I've definitely stayed in a lot worse. We've got a couple of little cups, but no kettle, so unfortunately no teas tonight. But we do have breakfast included. We did pay extra, so at least we can go down and get tea in the morning. That's a bonus. But after the day we've had, I would love a warm cup of tea before bed. We've got a TV here too, so hopefully that's got Netflix or Disney. It doesn't look like it, but it might. We'll find out.
Couple little bed lights.
It's actually handy.
Too bad.
Even got a few little coat hooks or coat hangers to be able to hang stuff up, which is definitely convenient.
So they got pretty good blinds. How's that go down?
Works normal.
That's alright, that'll be a little bit blackout if you want to have a snooze in.
Yeah, cute view though, just like snow.
So breakfast was 6 to 10, I think she said.
Yep.
Yeah, 6 to 10, and checkout is at 12 o'clock, which is cool. So that gives us plenty of time to have breakfast and get packed and get ready to leave before we head on to the 5-star hotel tomorrow, which is going to be awesome. Well, this seems to be nice and clean. There's no mold anywhere, which is good. It's always a good one. You always get them around the bottoms here, but there's nothing there, so that's good. So the shower door doesn't really have any privacy. That is an issue for some people. We don't really mind. The toilet is a big one for us, but that's good. There's a proper door there, so that's good. But all in all, it seems like a pretty good hotel. Like, we're pretty happy with it for the night, or even if we're here for a couple of nights, that'd be good. So yeah, that's a win for us. Well, we are absolutely knackered anyway, so we're gonna just grab a bite to eat and then probably just call it a night. And we'll take you down at breakfast and we'll show you around, and then we'll check out the location and see if there's anything decent around as well. Morning. It was a bit of a rough morning. We're so knackered from the bus ride yesterday. That really took it out of us. But it's 9:36 now, so we're gonna head down to breakfast, and it does say they're open to 11 on weekends, and it's Saturday today, so fingers crossed. We'll head down there now.
Look at how staticky my hair is.
The bed zapped us all night, eh?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. Look. Before breakfast, we thought we'd better check out the hotel amenities, and while there wasn't a lot that this one did have to offer, it did have a free water refill station for your water bottles. It had tea and coffee, which you did have to pay for, and it did have a few little convenient drinks and chips for late night snacks.
Now it's time to hit the breakfast buffet, and my first stop was coffee.
There's not a really big section. I've got like a couple of sausages and some pancakes, but there's a lot of fresh fruit and stuff, so I might just grab some of that. Seems like they're big on like cheeses and like deli meats and stuff for brekkie, which is like a lot of European countries are like that. But yeah, they got like toast and yogurt and stuff like that, so not too bad. Orange juice.
Thank you.
I was really keen on like eggs and stuff, like this is alright. You just gotta sort of make do with what is around. So it feels a bit weird when you're actually eating, but I'm really keen for this. So
Yeah, that looks really good.
it's just like muesli, yogurt and
This breakfast buffet set us back around €13 or 60 Polish zloty. Whilst the breakfast wasn't necessarily bad, I think there's so many cute cafes in Warsaw that have a lot better quality food and you get to pick what you want for a similar price or even cheaper. So next time I'd probably skip the buffet and head to a local cafe instead.
wasn't too bad. Probably seen better breakfasts at like hostels, but that are free, so like wasn't much of a variety to have to pay for, if that makes sense. But still, definitely did the job.
It's really good. The checkout here is not until 12, so I'm gonna go and just chill out for a little while because we're still exhausted from yesterday. We came down from Lithuania to Poland and got caught in a big snowstorm, and all of the trucks that were trying to go up the big hills in the snow were getting stuck, so it blocked the highway, and we moved I think about 12 kilometers in about 4.5 hours. So we definitely need some rest today. Our journey turned into like a 12-hour or more, even 12 hours on the bus, and then we still had to get to and from both hotels and try and sort out food and stuff in between. So yeah, pretty tired today.
Well, it's time to check out of this one now, and we're just gonna get Uber straight to the next hotel, to the 5-star hotel. We're gonna be staying at the InterContinental. Really excited for that one. And yeah, we'll drop our bags if we have to, and we'll go around, look around town or something. But if we can check in straight away, we'll show the room straight away. So I'm super keen if we can.
I think all in all, this is actually pretty good for a 1-star hotel. It's a really good budget option if you are in the city. Definitely awesome for short stays. So yeah, let's see what the 5 stars like.
Just arrived at the second hotel. This is the InterContinental, and this is a 5-star hotel. So we're gonna go inside because it's snowing.
This is free coffee and tea, the coffee machine, and safe instruction inside. Mineral water is free.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Have
so
a good
much.
stay in our hotel. Have a nice time in the bus.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
This bathroom looks nice. Got cute soaps. We have a bathtub. Oh, I'm so happy.
Is it good?
Looks good. This hair, it's a real statement today.
Looks like Wally.
What else have we got?
What's in here? Oh yeah. Oh,
We got robes.
Not that we ever wear them. We got a TV. There's in-room dining at any time, he said. They've got a pool as well, which we'll show you later. They've got free tea and coffee, as usual, most of them do. There's a coffee machine.
Excited for that.
That's cool. 3 bowls of water. And room to move.
Yeah, this is the biggest room we've stayed in Europe that's not like an apartment, hey?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, besides the one in Salzburg.
I reckon this is bigger, but because it's got the desk in it
Oh, it's
and a
definitely
lounge
bigger.
chair.
Yeah, it's definitely bigger. But
It was
like,
decent though, that one.
That one was decent.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah,
Cool.
this is 5-star.
Fantastic. It's comfy.
Is it?
I can already feel that it's comfy.
Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, check out the view. We're on the 40th floor and I'm scared of heights, so I really want to go down and get coffee, but not looking forward to the elevator. Your ears literally need to pop on the way up. Crazy. I think my favourite part of this hotel is that we can order room service. I really do not feel like going out for dinner and I'm getting over fast food. So we're going to order something and eat it in bed.
I'll get fast food while we get pizza.
Hello, may I please order some room service? Perfect, thank you so much. Bye. Room service is on its way.
So our room service came and we ordered 2 pizzas and a dessert. And we're a little bit confused.
We could have dessert for dinner, it's fine.
But then we rang up and they said there's a hot box. So
There's like
Wow.
underneath the tablecloth. It's a bit hard with this camera, but underneath the tablecloth on the bottom of the trolley. Oh wow, that looks good.
we had no idea that she didn't actually tell us that there was a hot box with pizza, and she kind of just came and said, "Where do you want it?" And I said, "Oh, next to the table." And then she left after we paid.
You know what? This is probably the first room service we've ordered where they've left the entire trolley though.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
didn't think that was weird.
So do we just push this outside now, you reckon?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. But we're going to enjoy our pizza and our cake and watch a movie. Special delivery.
Thank you. I think I'm liking the 5-star option best.
No sauce in the best bed we've slept in about 3 months.
I can make no promises. What do you reckon? 5-star or 1-star?
That's pretty good. I'm regretting eating this in bed though.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a very easy pizza to eat. Looks delicious. In this shot is a clue about somewhere we are going to visit in the next month.
Kids, in the spring of 2011, Zoe and I broke up. But the good news...
Definitely going to make the most of having a nice bathtub while we're here. So I'm running a bath and I've got a little face mask here and a thing of bath salts too, which I'm really, really excited for. And one of the coolest things about this hotel is they've even got a pillow menu, so you can choose what kind of pillow that you want for the night too. I'm going to feel very pampered leaving this place. Morning guys, so we are definitely very well rested after our night here. It's probably the best night's sleep I've had since we left home. Actually, it's probably the best night's sleep I've had since Vietnam, because after Vietnam we're in a van for like, how many months?
3 months.
Yeah, and then we've been just hopping around here, there and everywhere. But yeah, this feels like absolute luxury. So we're going to go down and check out the hotel breakfast now. I'm pretty excited to try this one. I feel like it's definitely going to be the 5-star experience. So take you guys with it.
The 5-star breakfast was completely different. As we walked in, there was champagne on arrival. The 5-star option had everything you could possibly think of. All of the hot foods, beans, eggs, sausages, fresh made omelettes. There was also so many fresh options here. Fresh squeezed juices, condiments in their own little individual glass jars, yogurts, and even an actual honeycomb that looked like it was straight out of a bee's nest.
This is fun.
What'd you get?
Everything I missed out on last month.
Oh, you got juice.
Yeah.
Where's that from? Got honey out of an actual honeycomb. It's really cool.
Well, the food was good, but there was a line out the door just waiting to get into the breakfast. So I'm not sure about the organisation, or there's just so many people that had breakfast or going to breakfast. But we didn't really have to wait too long. But when we come out, there was about, what do you reckon, 15 people?
Oh, way more. like
Yeah.
15 groups of people, I reckon.
Yeah, massive. Like they're blocking all the elevators and everything. Was crazy.
After breakfast, it was time to check out the amenities in this hotel, and trust me, these ones were 5-star. This had a convenience store downstairs with literally everything you can think of, from chips, chocolate, phone chargers, extra headphones and toiletries. It had a beautiful bar in the lobby and a hotel restaurant. The thing that surprised us the most though was indoor golf. Now we didn't get a chance to do that on this one, but it did look amazing. There was also a beautiful gym upstairs, and what was about to become our favourite part of the entire experience, the sauna. Saunas have got to be like one of the most relaxing things in the world. I feel so renewed after that. I think it's time to go find the pool. The hotel had a spa set on, I think it was the 60th floor, with the most iconic views over Warsaw. We spent this morning relaxing in the sauna and swimming in the pool with this view. It was absolutely amazing, and there was a hot tub. Definitely hard to pull us away from this one.
Well, we've had an amazing time here. We're so glad we did this one. We definitely are happy that we did the spa because we hummed and hawed about it, but it just pretty much relaxed us so much, so that was a win there. The pool was awesome, the jacuzzi was awesome, and the sauna as well. Obviously, if we could, we'd pick the 5-star budget every single time, but that's a little bit unrealistic when you're traveling a lot of Europe. I hope this is a good indicator of 2 different hotels. I think the Ibis was probably a little bit pricey for, you know, such a basic hotel. I think it was about $120 Australian, something like that. And this one was $300 Australian, so I would probably rather pay the extra $150 basically. If you're only staying for a couple of nights, this is probably definitely the one I'd choose.
I think as well, if you really want to do like a 5-star stay, try and pick the countries where you get a bit more bang for your buck. So like the Baltics, Poland, you're going to get a lot more for your money than you would like in France or Germany, because they're like really, I guess, like high volume tourist places.
Yeah, the best place about Poland that we've found, and we didn't realise this until the last time we stayed here, is that even our basic hotel last time had a spa, and that was awesome.
Yeah.
So we were really hoping that the Ibis did, even though when we looked, we didn't see it on there, but it didn't have it on this. But that's all right, like that's fine. You'll definitely find one with one, so...
If you want like a more mid-range one in Warsaw, I'll pop it up on the screen because that one was actually a really good hotel.
Yeah, that was really good
so.
last time, yeah. Right in the old town too, so good
Yeah.
location. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!